Welcome! Today we're making homemade tahini paste and a creamy tahini sauce from scratch. Whether you're using it as a dip, a dressing, or a topping, this simple recipe will add rich, nutty flavor to so many dishes. We'll walk you through the steps of toasting sesame seeds, blending them into smooth tahini paste, and turning that paste into a delicious sauce with just a few ingredients. Let's get started and create this versatile, tasty treat right in your own kitchen. Alright, let's get started. First, for the tahini paste, you'll need 1 cup of sesame seeds. You can use toasted or raw seeds, but to bring out the flavor, I recommend toasting them in a dry skillet for a few minutes. Then grab some olive oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, which will help achieve a smooth, creamy texture. You can also add salt to taste, just a pinch is fine. Now, for the tahini sauce, we'll use about half a cup of the tahini paste we just made. You'll need fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons, to add that tangy zing. Garlic, just 1 small clove, finely minced or crushed, will give it a nice depth of flavor. Add water, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, depending on your desired consistency. A tablespoon of olive oil will make it rich, and a bit of salt to taste. If you like, add a sprinkle of cumin or paprika for extra flavor. That's it. Let's move on to blending. For making tahini paste, let's start by preparing our sesame seeds. For a deeper flavor, we'll toast them lightly. Heat a dry skillet over medium heat. Add 1 cup of sesame seeds and stir them around every 30 seconds or so. You'll want to toast them for about 3 to 5 minutes. As they heat up, you'll notice a nutty aroma filling the air. That means they're doing their job. Keep an eye on them, making sure they don't burn. Once they're slightly golden and fragrant, take them off the heat. Now set them aside for a minute to cool down before we blend them into a smooth paste. Now that your sesame seeds have cooled for just a minute, it's time to blend them. Transfer your toasted seeds to a food processor or a high-speed blender. Start pulsing a few times to break them up. After the initial pulse, you'll notice they'll start to form a crumbly texture. Scrape down the sides of the processor to ensure even blending, and then pulse again. At this stage, the seeds won't look smooth just yet, but don't worry, we're going to make it creamy. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil to help it blend into a smooth paste. This oil will give the tahini its creamy consistency. Let's keep blending. As you blend, you'll notice the texture begin to change. The paste will start coming together. You might need to scrape down the sides of the food processor once or twice to keep things moving. If it's still a bit thick, drizzle in a little more olive oil. This will help break it down into a smooth, velvety paste. Keep going until the tahini has a creamy, thick texture. Once it's smooth and creamy, give it a quick taste. You can add a pinch of salt if you want. Now that your tahini paste is ready, transfer it into a jar or airtight container for storage. It'll keep in the fridge for up to a month. Let's move on to the tahini sauce. We'll start by using the tahini paste we just made. Scoop out about half a cup of the paste and transfer it to a small bowl. Now take 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Squeeze it directly into the bowl. The lemon will give the tahini sauce a nice tangy kick, which balances the rich, nutty flavor of the tahini. As you mix the tahini and lemon juice, you'll notice the mixture thicken up. Don't worry, this is completely normal and part of the magic. To loosen the sauce up, gradually add water. Start with about 3 tablespoons, whisking as you go. If the sauce is too thick for your liking, you can always add a bit more water. The goal is to get a smooth, pourable consistency, so feel free to adjust as needed. For an extra smooth and rich texture, add a tablespoon of olive oil. It'll make the sauce glossy and silky, perfect for drizzling over your favorite dishes. Keep whisking until it's all combined and smooth. If it feels too thin, you can add a little more tahini paste to thicken it up again. Now, let's add some extra flavor to our sauce. Take 1 small garlic clove, finely minced or crushed, and stir it into the tahini sauce. The garlic will add depth and make it more aromatic. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Taste and adjust to your preference, adding more if needed. If you'd like to add a little extra spice, now's the time to sprinkle in some cumin or paprika. Just a pinch of either will add a unique, warming flavor. Stir everything together and give it a taste. Feel free to add more lemon, garlic, or spices to make it your own. Your tahini sauce is now ready to serve. You can use it right away as a drizzle over roasted vegetables, salads, or falafel. It also works great as a dip for pita bread or fresh veggies. If you're not using it immediately, store the sauce in an airtight container in the fridge. It will keep for about a week, though it may thicken slightly in the fridge. No problem, just stir in a little water to loosen it up before using. You now have a homemade tahini paste and sauce that's perfect for so many dishes. Lastly, here are a few tips to keep in mind while making your tahini paste and sauce. First, consistency. Tahini paste tends to thicken as it cools, so if it feels too thick after storing it in the fridge, just add a little water and stir to bring it back to the right consistency. If you're looking for some flavor variations, you can spice up your tahini sauce by adding ground cumin, paprika, or even a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little heat. To achieve an ultra-smooth tahini paste, you can blend a bit longer and add more olive oil. Some food processors may need extra blending time to get the smoothest texture. As for storage, always keep your tahini paste in an airtight container to preserve its freshness. And if you've made a larger batch, don't worry. It's perfect for other recipes like hummus or as a spread. This recipe gives you a rich, creamy tahini paste and sauce that can elevate countless dishes. Enjoy your homemade tahini paste and sauce.